We've created this short video to answer the most common questions about My Companion, our AI-driven support tool for endoscopic ultrasound procedures. By watching through to the end, you'll gain a clear understanding of how it works, the clinical data behind it, and the benefits it brings to your daily EUS practice. If you prefer, you can also use the interactive menu to skip straight to the topics that matter most to you.
This is a question we hear a lot. My Companion is an AI assistance tool built to support gastroenterologists performing technically demanding endoscopic ultrasound (EUS) assessment of the pancreas. During EUS, My Companion actively detects and highlights in real time potential abnormalities in pancreatic tissue, such as lesions, and provides procedural guidance by tracking time spent in the head, body, and tail of the pancreas. This gives gastroenterologists immediate, structured feedback on where attention should be focused to reduce the rate of missed lesions. By translating complex visual and spatial data into clear, actionable insights, it supports a more methodical and repeatable approach to EUS. My Companion is designed for all EUS users, both experienced gastroenterologists and those in the early stages of their training. For senior and junior gastroenterologists alike, it functions like an extra set of eyes that supports thoroughness. For juniors, it offers orientation and structure that can build confidence and consistency during procedures. Looking ahead, My Companion has the potential to influence how EUS quality is measured in the future. Time alone isn't a perfect quality marker. Someone can spend minutes looking without meaningful coverage, but consistent tracking by pancreatic region is a strong first step. By standardizing how time and region is captured, My Companion can help establish a more objective basis for conversations about completeness, and over time may promote the evolution of best practice guidance.
My Companion was developed and validated using robust data collected from multiple leading EUS centers, proving a positive benefit-to-risk ratio leading to the CE approval. The system was trained on over 5 million annotated frames from hundreds of EUS patient videos collected across 6 high-throughput clinical centers. Each frame was manually annotated by gastroenterologists and validated by experts in the field of EUS. To capture the real-world variation, a multicentric approach and millions of frames were used. This ensures that the AI performs reliably in a diverse range of clinical settings. In a clinical setting, My Companion correctly identified the majority of solid and cystic lesions while keeping false positives very low, just 2 to 3%. When looking at a complete scan rather than single images, the system detected 100% of all solid lesions and 90% of cystic lesions, confirming that it consistently identifies the key findings during a full EUS procedure. These performance figures confirm that My Companion identifies lesions consistently in real-world EUS data. Additional differentiation into the head, body, and tail regions provides additional support throughout every procedure.
My Companion supports every gastroenterologist who performs EUS, from those with extensive expertise to those who are still developing their procedural competence. For experienced gastroenterologists, it acts as a trusted second set of eyes during complex pancreatic assessments. During examination of a patient with suspected lesions, the additional layer of AI support offers confidence that key regions of the pancreas have been reviewed. It doesn't replace clinical expertise, but it supports greater reliability and confidence by delivering objective visual feedback throughout the procedure. For those earlier in their EUS learning curve, My Companion offers orientation support, highlighting pancreatic tissues in general, as well as showing the different regions of head, body, and tail, giving users real-time awareness of where they are during the procedure. The AI highlights regions of interest and tracks procedural completeness, encouraging good scanning habits from the start. While small lesions are normally more challenging to identify, My Companion's detection's capability assists clinicians in recognizing subtle features that might otherwise be missed. Ultimately, My Companion is designed for real-world assistance. It strengthens rather than replaces clinical judgment, supporting both experienced and junior users alike in their clinical routine.
In colonoscopy, the camera captures flat images of the surface of the bowel. AI analyzes these images in real time, identifying potential polyps or lesions as the endoscope is withdrawn. An EUS procedure, however, is conceptually more complex. Rather than a surface image, the endoscopist is navigating through a full three-dimensional volume of tissue using only two-dimensional ultrasound images. Even the smallest change in the angle of the ultrasound potentially completely alters the field of view. It challenges gastroenterologists to interpret complex images in real time while maintaining constant spatial awareness. That's where AI really helps, by easing that cognitive load. My Companion supports clinicians throughout the scan, drawing attention to possible lesions and providing additional orientation support within the pancreatic tissue to support a more complete assessment. My Companion demonstrates its real potential in endoscopic ultrasound by helping clinicians to manage the complexity of this demanding imaging technique.
Yes, My Companion is fully compatible with existing EUS systems. It connects directly to the video output of your EUS tower using a standard signal interface such as DVI or SDI. The software analyzes the live video feed in real time and displays the enhanced image, reproducing the traditional EUS format you're familiar with the added information overlaid and on a separate monitor. The system operates completely independently of the EUS hardware, requiring only a standard video connection and a single power cable. It doesn't interfere with the tower or the endoscope, with no additional data or feedback connections needed. Clinicians continue working exactly as they do today, with the only addition being the extra screen showing My Companion's guidance view and real-time analysis of pancreatic regions. Installation is straightforward and non-disruptive, using a standard medical-grade monitor and minimal cabling. There's no need for special equipment or configuration changes. In practice, My Companion is a fast and easy-use solution, seamlessly integrating into existing EUS environments to enhance procedures without replacing or modifying anything already in place.
With pancreatic lesions, early detection is vital. Once pancreatic cancer spreads, 5-year survival falls to around 3% compared to 44% when caught early. Therefore, by reducing the risk of missing lesions, patient outcomes could be positively affected. My Companion has undergone extensive development and validation to ensure performance in reducing the risk of missed lesions. It was trained and verified using robust data collected from multiple leading EUS centers with more than 5 million annotated frames, all reviewed by experienced EUS specialists. Each annotation captured real anatomical and procedural variation, ensuring the model performs dependably across diverse clinical settings. As part of its CE approval, My Companion was tested on independent clinical data to confirm accuracy and reproducibility. It correctly identified 100% of solid and 90% of cystic pancreatic lesions when looking across a complete scan, all while keeping false positives very low, just 2 to 3%. In practical terms, the system detects most real lesions while rarely flagging areas that aren't relevant. The result is a high level of confidence that what appears on screen reflects real anatomical findings, not noise or overdetection. Reliability is further supported by the frozen model design, meaning the software does not continue to learn or alter its outputs once validated. The same input always produces the same result, guaranteeing consistency across all systems and sites. Any future update will follow the same regulatory verification and validation process, maintaining the same standard of performance. My Companion combines expert-reviewed data with testing from multiple centers to deliver reliable, consistent support during every EOS procedure.
My Companion is designed to support clinicians in performing EOS procedures, helping new and experienced gastroenterologists identify lesions during a pancreatic scan. By providing real-time visual assistance and feedback, it allows users to better understand current patterns within the pancreas. Over time, this real-time assistance may contribute to a more efficient learning curve and may help raise the overall quality and consistency of EOS procedures. Importantly, My Companion is an assistance tool, not a replacement for training or expertise. Like any supportive technology, it enhances accuracy and confidence during procedures, but clinical judgment always remains with the endoscopist. Ultimately, the goal is to empower gastroenterologists, giving them the tools to perform more confidently and effectively, while ensuring patient care continues to benefit from human expertise supported by reliable AI guidance.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has answered your key questions about My Companion and how it supports you in performing EOS procedures with greater confidence and consistency. If you'd like to learn more or discuss implementation, please get in touch with your local Medi-Globe representative who will be happy to provide further information.